Thank you for choosing Proculus Android Display Module. This video will demonstrate how to perform a system firmware upgrade on the Proculus display module. To perform this operation, we first need to prepare some tools. Prepare a computer with USB connector, a micro USB cable, short circuit tools like tweezers, and a power adapter. Check the original OS version, it's Android 5.1. Power up your display, and then use a 4-pin micro USB cable to connect it to your PC. Next, download the required files. Click on the driver Install X to install the necessary program. Open the Android tool X, and the tool will detect your display. Click on Switch and your display will switch to loader mode. Begin the upgrade process. Enter the upgrade firmware section, and select the corresponding file for the version you intend to upgrade to. Click on Upgrade and the process will begin. Now, simply wait for the upgrade to complete. Once finished, let's check the OS. It should now be Android 7.1. The upgrade was successful. Now, let's address some issues you may encounter during the process. The first is if the PC doesn't detect the display. First, ensure your cable is capable of transferring data normally. If it's still not detected, click on the build number repeatedly until a notification informs you that you are now a developer. Then check if the USB debug option is turned on. If it is already turned on, try to turn it off, and then turn it on again. If you fail to switch the display into loader mode, on the backside PCB of the screen, locate the ADK label. Use tweezers or another tool to short-circuit these two pins. Ensure power is disconnected before doing this. After short-circuiting, power up the device. Once the computer recognizes the device in loader mode, you can remove the short-circuiting tool. If the burning process fails after clicking the upgrade button, please ensure that the path of your image file consists only of English characters. The presence of other languages or punctuation marks in the path may prevent the software from locating the correct file. If you are certain that all your previous steps were correct, you can attempt to click the upgrade button again for RAID burning. Thank you once again for using the Proculus Android screen. If you encounter any issues or require further details, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is here.